So I'm going to exit out of this PowerPoint. At this point, you should be seeing my main desktop, and draw your attention, as I already did, to the Knotester suite of software, because I do want to run you through just a quick look. As I mentioned, you have 6 apps embedded within this toolkit. You can see you can quickly access lesson recording. By tapping that, you will enter a full screen lesson capture, similar to the lesson recording in Flex. So when we cover lesson recording in Flex, we'll go into more detail into these tools. And this kind of touches on a larger theme of this webinar, which is that we designed many paths to the same destination through this software. So what you'll notice is there is a lot of overlap with this software. Knotester also has a means of accessing your document camera. That's that second app that you can see at the bottom there. Oh, I want to keep that up for now. When you touch that document camera app, that actually is going to launch Flex 11. So another path to the same destination of using your document camera. We also included a whiteboard app in this Knotester suite of tools, which is a blank canvas for you to do annotations. It is pretty basic, but it's also very open, giving you that blank slate to really create annotations, drawings, and shapes. I already mentioned the desktop marker tool is the tool that can be used to annotate and mark on top of other programs, videos, images, even live video. That desktop marker tool is useful when you are using annotations outside of Flex. What you'll see in a moment is that Flex also has its annotation wheel. It is very similar in look, but when you minimize and close Flex, that wheel will also close with it. So the desktop marker tool is a tool that allows you to annotate outside of the Flex program. So that was what I used for that PowerPoint there. Continuing on, you also have a roster manager, which is an easy way to set up and organize a class roster, managing and archiving which class groups receive which lessons and which content. And then you also have another route to access your archive manager. The archive manager is where all of your lessons are going to be stored and kept, as well as images and snapshots that you take. Now, the archive manager can also be accessed through Flex 11, multiple paths to the same destination. So I'll walk you through that in more detail when we get into Flex 11. Also, your files can be accessed outside of either of these programs through the normal Windows interface, another tool, another tip that I'll cover in just a moment.